Myntri katnat CNR di blok ka sorkar jela eti mandal haka sngi thoding ulong baki Gramsevak kidon ka benta ka bakraw banwanra ya ka jinkla haka roy kapar hakishnong ki thaw lamba ki scheme baper ki bon na ka sorkar jela bat kumju ru na ka sorkar pdeng yakani Myntri ulakren haka jinglang rakhe basanpo snem jong ka kenhut ki Gramsevak haka jela hapo kalama jong ka all Meghalaya Gramsevak Sevika Service Association kalopenlong hadon bosco Sunnyside Saumer Upper Shillong Myntri habakren hagani kesngi ulaong baki Gramsevak gidon kabenta kabakongsan na kabenta ban pentre kampura ya kiskim kam penroy jong ka sorkar jela bat ka sorkar pedeng hakishnong ki thaw khamtam hakishnong nong kendong kumtaw laong bayak video le se ula ban khot Henry ya ki Gramsevak ubo nyngkong ban khot hakane kesngi layo ru ya ka jingkren na director jong katnat USC sadhu kumju ru ya ka kaifot trikam na president ba JS lengdo bat ru na secretary ba mding do bat lapanchong kun ru ya ka jingrakhe da ki program baharu kom na ki Gramsevak.
Some of the GS circles the number of household is very minimal, but some of the GS circles the number of household is very big. Today where we are organizing this program, the million block was was the largest block in terms of population in the state. That's why decisions were taken that where populations are more, it is very difficult for the GS or the Sevoks and Sevikas to provide service in a very proper manner. Let us break into 2 blocks. That's how the new blocks also come on the basis of the large scale population like Million block, like Sharshara block. These blocks were bifurcated. It is not only on population government is creating the blocks. There are some areas where people have to travel hours to reach to the block headquarters. And videos sometimes they act as magistrate also. They act as the administrative organization of the government also. They got to attend to duties to the DRDA, to the DC's office. They got to sometimes come to the state headquarters also. So after traveling for 7-8 hours, when they reach the block headquarters, they find that video is not there. They have to go back. So in that situation also, government is creating more blocks, and the pressure is slowly mounting for creation of further more blocks. Last year, just before the election, around 9 blocks have been created, and we are working how to get manpower to these blocks. We have written to the finance department. Very soon we will get these sanctions. I personally feel that even I, with your help, can reach to each blocks, but we face little bit problem. There was an election, this is something like a by-election in Soyam constituency, where one of the candidates who was earlier our colleague expired and election deferred. And because of the deferred election, and as it is falling in the same district, we could not do mass transfer or mass appointment during or posting during that time. Even our director had to join in his duties only after the election process is completed. Now we are busy with posting of videos in the respective departments. But then doing so also, we are facing a lot of problem. We are having clash with personnel department because as per request from some quarters, we want to post somebody, but then personnel is telling that no, we cannot let this guy go because he is having our duties. We are working. Once this process will be over, then we will see that how we can increase the manpower in GS circle level also. I believe that many of you, though you are interested one GS circle, but you are looking after another 1, 2 or more GS circle because block have been created, GS circle have been bifurcated, but manpower has not increased. We are seized to these problems. We will definitely see that this problem is sorted out as early as possible. Now, somewhere, our president has told that the mass respect is not given to us. It's completely false. Personally, I think Even as an MLA, if I don't call my videos, but I make sure that I call my GS. Because he is the person who will take whatever development I want to do to my people. It is not the video, it is the GS circle who takes the development to the people. So that's how we respect. But there is sometimes these clashes are also there. See, my motto as an MLA, I'm not telling as a minister, I'm telling as an MLA, is to what? To give mass benefit to my people. And your motto is what? To help the people who are in need. If our idea is same, why not we converse this idea together and reap the benefit to the people? So if it happens, I don't think there will be any clash with anybody. Because as I told earlier, that you are the agent of the government in the grassroots level. Whatever the program government is taking up, it is only implemented through you.